Embark on a journey with me, echoing the spirits of young Simba. Just like him, I can't wait to explore the realms of mental health together. I'm Shaw the Lion, and welcome to this adventure of growth and well-being.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Shaw the Lion here. Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'll be telling you guys, 2 years ago, my dad had a vision that I would be gone away from home for 33 days. So 2 years ago, my dad had a vision that I'd be away for 33 days. At the time, it seemed like an odd and specific idea, but he really believed in it. He shared this vision with me, and I remember feeling curious and a bit unsettled. Fast forward to now, and I can't help but think about a vision and how it felt so significant that it came true. It made me reflect on the idea that sometimes things can unfold in ways we least expect, and that our experience can hold deeper meanings than we realize at the moment. And yeah, as always, for the grind don't stop, the tea stays green, and the lions stay warring, and God bless the entire world, including Afghanistan, and yeah, peace.
Lions don't stop.